this is Sandy Create the Heart, and I'm back to share a haul from Butterfly Reflections and a project share. So it's going to be kind of a random share. I'm going to go ahead and get into it with some items that I actually don't have a project for, but I will show you what I got. First thing is these resin hearts. Now, everything had been 40% off at Butterfly Reflections, and so when she was on Creativation, and so this is the order that I placed with the 40% off. So I got these cute girl resin hearts. I think they were, let's see, $2.40. Then I got these Lawn Fawn Very Happy Holidays. It goes with the stamp set I recently got. And these are the dies that go with that. And it's $10.80. So normally it was like $18 or something like that. So super happy to get this one to go with my stamp set. I got these matte gumdrops from Your Next Stamp, and these were $2.70. They're normally like $4.99 or something like that. I got the Stamp Market Heart Confetti die because I think it'd be really fun just to make confetti to put in Happy Mail. And this one was, this looks like my, it's hard to say, $3.60. And then I got these Snow and Cocoa pom-poms. I've been wanting these ones for a while. I can never find them at Tuesday Morning. These were $2.10. And then I got this super cute cactus die. This is a Paper Smooches die. And this cactus die was $6. So normally $10. I was excited to get that one. And then this is the cute little card that I made with it, using that die. Is that fun? So really cute. And then I got this Smile Lawn Fawn die. This was $3.60. And then I got this stamp set and die, which I've been wanting for a while, even though it's kind of holiday, but not really. I mean, you could use this for other things, winter things. And so the die was $10.80. And the stamp set was $6. So excited about that. And then this is the project that I made using the Smile die and that stamp set. So kind of a winter card. I think that's really fun. I actually use my Swirls Cuddlebug folder and some winter paper that I've been using. And then this is that mirrored cardstock from Tonic. So I think it came out really cute. And then this is going to be, well, I guess I'll share this. So this right here is a hot foil die. Actually, it's not a die. It's a hot foil stamp. They're calling it a die. It's not really a die because it isn't cut out. But this is a Go Press and Foil. I actually got this from eBay, and it came around the same time. So I thought I would share that because I combined it with one of the dies that I got from Butterfly Reflections. So this is an Anna Griffin pineapple stamp because it does not cut. To me, a die means it cuts. So it's very sharp too. I almost cut myself on these edges. It's very sharp. So I thought it did cut because it said it did, but it didn't cut. I'll show you. It does the hot foil, and even though it's not a Spellbinders, it's a Go Press. This is a Couture Creations stamp, and I believe that is their brand of the hot foil machine. I really wanted this Anna Griffin one. I got a couple Anna Griffin ones coming. So that, plus I used the XOXO Lawn Fawn die, which is $3.60. And then I made this to show you. This is XOXO. And then here this is in gold. And you can see it did not cut out. So it's more of a stamp. And I didn't make it into a card because I don't know what I'm going to do with it. But there's that. And then I used, for the last 3 products that I got this Sweet die. It's a Lawn Fawn die, $3.60. And then the Studio Katya, I was super excited to get this. This is the Kobe's Hugs and Kisses. I normally probably would never buy this because it's normally fairly expensive. So $9.60 and $8.40 for combined for this. And I love this die. It does not have to just be Halloween. Halloween, I'm sorry, Valentine's Day. It could be anything that you want. It's got this letter, this heart, this flowers. This heart right here has a little paws right here. So when you put him here, it looks like he's hugging the heart. So cute. I love it so. When you cut it, the arm kind of cuts out and lifts so that you can put things in there, like the letter or this box of chocolates. You could put a sucker in there. A lot of things you could put in his little arm, which I think is adorable. And then I just cut that sweet die out of some some glitter cardstock on this kind of grayish, silvery type paper. And there you go. Isn't that cute? So anyway, that was a really fun haul for me, just because I got some things that I was looking forward to getting, and then I was able to actually make some projects to share with you. So thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy, the Creating with the Heart.